Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurul Fatihah binti Mat Razidin and my metric card number is 14DKA1A1047. So this is my presentation from my group. So the title for the presentation is Trigonometry. So for the next slide is of member of my group. So we have Nur Fakriyahani binti Azwadi, Elna Sofia binti Almi, and myself Nurul Fatihah binti Mat Razidin, and we all under guidance of Mrs. Zaidah Hani binti Nur Azlim.
Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Fakriyahani binti Azwadi. My matrix number is 14DKA21F1016. Do you guys know about trigonometry? What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that study relationship between the sides and angle of triangle. Trigonometry is found all throughout geometry, as every straight side shape may be broken into as a collection of triangle. Further still, trigonometry has astoundingly intricate relationships to other branches of mathematics, in particular, complex number, infinite series, logarithm, and calculus.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, I'm Elmi Sofia and my matrix number is 14DKA21F1068. So here I want to present about how to know part of trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies the relationship between the sides and angles of triangles. Trigonometry is found all throughout geometry, as every straight side shape may be broken into as a collection of triangles. Further still, trigonometry has astoundingly intricate relationships to other branches of mathematics, in particular, complex number, infinite series, logarithm, and calculus. So, how to know part of trigonometry? If you ever deal with triangles, then you have deal with trigonometry. This is an area of math that studies the triangle, including the angles and length relationships, then define it. From plotting stars to voguing the seas, trigonometry is all around us. Okay, next about the right angle triangle. Application in trigonometry are done with right angle triangle. A right angle triangle is a triangle that has 90 degrees as one of its angles. Some examples are 90, 35 and 55, 90, 45 and 45, and 90, 60 and 30. All the angles add up to 180 degrees. A right angle triangle has three sides, with the hypotenuse being its longest side. Okay, next I'm gonna tell you about length relationship and angle relationships. Okay, the famous Pythagoras theorem is the cornerstone behind trigonometry. It shows the relationship between the three sides of a right angle triangle using the following formula, such as a square root plus b square root equal to c square root. That's the formula, where a and b are the lengths of the two short sides of the triangle and c is the longest side, that's for hypotenuse.
I'm Nurul Fatihah binti Mat Razidin and my metric card number is 14DKA21F1047. So I want to talk about tips of trigonometry. You guys know, only using your hands you can remember the value and angles of trigonometry. You guys don't know? So let me I'm start with sine. Sine have 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. For the degrees have different amounts. So the 0 degrees, we have 1 over 2 square root 0 equal to 0. For the 30 degree, we have 1 over 2 square root 1 equal to 1 over 2. For the 45 degrees, we have 1 over 2 square root 2 equal to 1 over 2 square root 2. For the 60 degrees, we have 1 over 2 square root 3 equal to 1 over 2 square root 3. And for the 90 degrees, we have 1 over 2 square root 4 equal 1. Let's continue for the cosine. Cosine, the amount is equal to the sine, but we should read from the little fingers to up. For the example, for the little fingers, we have 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. Cosine, the amount cosine and sine is same, but the degrees is different. Next is tangent. Tangent, the degree same like sine, but the amount is different. So for the 0 degrees, we have 1 over 3 square root 0 equal to 0. For the 30 degrees, we have 1 over 3 square root 3 equal to 1 over 3 square root 0. And 45 degrees, we have 1 over 3 square root 9 equal to 1. And for the 60 degrees, we have 1 over 3 square root 27 equal to square root 3. And for the 19 degrees, for the tangent is no amount. This is infinite. This is unlimited. So that's all.
So the conclusion is trigonometry is one of the most fascinating areas of interest to mathematicians and engineers. It has numerous applications considering that it is one of the most fundamental ideas underlying design and math principles. The designers and builders of the Egyptian pyramids were greatly influenced by trigonometry. Such as surveyors, architects, astronauts today can hardly do their work without the use of it. Thank you from us.